Desert Creative brings you a product highlight. We're diving specifics on the Tersus GNSS
Luka Smart Receiver.
This is a rugged, palm-sized receiver that really packs a punch. It tracks all the available constellations, packs an integrated battery with about 19 hours of runtime, and it charges with a standard USB-C port. It has the ability to be a base, rover, or network rover. Has an integrated 450 to 470 internal radio. Speaking of base station, you have the NTRIP Caster Service built in with the 4G SIM card slot. It also has NFC support for instant connections to your controllers. And last, maybe most exciting, is the calibration-free, no-limit tilt feature. Combine that with the augmented viewer for a very powerful stakeout and data collection receiver.